Hello and welcome to Smells Like Home Cooking, where we show you our favourite foolproof recipes for you to try at home. Today we're making this lovely, silky leek potato soup. These are all the ingredients you need, and I'll write the amounts in the description below. To start with, we need to chop up all the ingredients. The onion needs to be finely diced, potatoes need to be peeled and diced, and for the leeks, just discard the outer leaves and then slice them. All this chopping is a great time to remind you to please like this video if you enjoy it, and subscribe to our channel. You can even share the video. All these things help a small channel like ours grow, so we can make more videos. Anyway, back to the recipe. With everything prepared, we start by melting the butter in a saucepan. Then we can add the onions, potatoes and leeks. Give that a quick stir to coat in the butter and then season. Then simply cover and let it sweat on a very low heat for about 15 minutes. It should look like this when it's done. Now that everything started to soften and cook down a bit, we can add the stock, followed by the milk. We then need to put the lid back on and let it simmer gently for 20 minutes. The last thing to do is to blend it until smooth. This is where you get the really silky texture and it feels like a hug in a mug. And there we are, leek potato soup, all done. It's lovely on a cold winter night, so I really hope you do try this recipe at home. And we'll see you again soon on Smells Like Home Cooking.